34 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0 0, 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20. 4 goes into 3 how many times? 4 goes into 3 0 times, as 3 is less than 4. So 0 times 4, 0 times 4, that gives us 0. Subtract 3. Bring down this digit 34. 4 goes into 34 how many times? Looks 9 times 36, which is greater. So 8 times. 8 times 8 times 4, 32. Subtract 2. So our answer is 08 means 8, remainder 2. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero there is a decimal, decimal must come to the quotient directly. So 4 goes into 20, 4 goes into 20, how many times? 5 times. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. Our answer is 8.5.